Tatry na naman natin itong isang kainan. Ito po siya. Diyan tayo. Magchibugan tayo. I love their calamansi juice. It's been years. Diba, Lolo may calamansi juice, right? And he would pick the calamansi from our backyard and then he would make some. This is the real one. Okay. First time ko dito. Ayan, may nagkakaraoke. Ito yung order ko. Oh my gosh, ako
Happy birthday to you.
Sabi ng kare-kare. Kanta ni Lolo yan. Ito, crispy kare-kare. Give me one. Oh no, sorry. Naglilipatan kami ng Nasaan na si crispy kare-kare. Just another woman in love. Naiya po siyang kumanta. Bakit? Ayan na. Sari-sari store. Di ba may sari-sari store si ano? Ayun, tingnan mo yun. Kaya na, favorite mo, Dilis. Ah. Tapos mikmik. Tapos yung dama. Nabusog ako.